If you're choosing between Credly and Certifier, this isn't just digital credential platform versus digital credential platform. It's enterprise recognition versus affordable certificate management. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Credly is built for enterprises, universities, and professional certification programs. It offers digital badges, credential verification analytics, and integrations with large learning platforms. That makes it a strong choice for organizations issuing credentials at scale. But here's the catch. It can be expensive for smaller businesses and individual course creators. Certifier takes a different approach. It focuses on making it easy and affordable to create, issue, and manage digital certificates and badges with a simple interface. That makes it attractive for training companies, coaches, and smaller organizations. The downside is that it doesn't have the same enterprise ecosystem and recognition as Credly. So, which digital credential software is better? Choose Credly if you need widely recognized digital badges, enterprise integrations, and advanced analytics. Choose Certifier if you want an easy-to-use, budget-friendly platform for issuing certificates and badges. Bottom line, Credly is the better choice for large organizations and professional certification programs. But for most small businesses, educators, and course creators, Certifier offers better value for the money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.